Hello everyone, welcome to the tutorial for the crochet blanket Lotus created by Veronica Liachovic from wecrochetpatterns.com. My name is Daria and I will guide you round by round so you will be able to make this nice and colorful blanket yourself. Actually, you can see my work in progress. I'm using my own color scheme and a pretty thin yarn. And let me show you a picture of the process of Veronica herself. I will keep all of the necessary links to the pattern, to the written pattern, it's a free pattern, and to the Ravelry page of the project, so you will be able to check all the necessary details of the different color schemes, different yarns, and hooks, and could prepare yourself to be ready to start this wonderful project. So let our journey begin. Actually, in front of you is not just a flower. Those are 5 first rounds of crochet blanket Lotus. I made it as a sample. For this tutorial, I will be using the other type of yarn, a thicker one, made by Nako Elite 50, 100% acrylic, anti-peeling. In 50 grams, 125 meters. And I will be using my favorite hook, 3.5 millimeters. So let's start our work. Round 1, color A. Slip knot, chain 4, 3 and 4. We insert the hook in the first chain, yarn over, and we pull through both loops to form a ring. As you can see, here we have a ring. Chain 2, 16 double crochets into the ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, and please continue. See you at the end of the round. Here we are, 16 double crochets are done, and we finish this round with a slip stitch into the first double crochet of the round. Done. Round 2. We continue with the same color, color A. Chain 2, doesn't count as a stitch. Double crochet in the same stitch. And then we repeat through all the round. Chain 3, skipping next stitch, and in the next one double crochet, double crochet. Chain 3, skipping next stitch and double crochet in the next one. Chain 3, skipping next stitch and a double crochet in the next one. And we repeat chain 3, skipping next stitch, double crochet in the next one to the end of the round. And we finish this round with a slip stitch in the first double crochet of the round. So as you can see, we have 8 stitches skipped, we have 8 double crochets, and we have 8 chain 3 spaces. We cut the yarn, secure the end, because round 3 we will be making of another color. Round 3, color D. We join new yarn with a standing cluster of 4 double crochets in any skipped double crochet of round 1. We have 8 of them. I selected this one. So we start with a standing cluster of 4 double crochets. First unfinished double crochet, second one, a third one, a fourth one, cluster is done. Chain 4, and again a cluster of 4 double crochets in front of chain 3 of round 2 in a skipped stitch of round 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, pulling through all the loops. The second cluster is ready, and we keep repeating. Chain 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and a cluster of 4 double crochets in skipped stitch of round 1 in front of chain 3. I'm pretty sure all of you can follow the same repetitions to the end of the round. If in some moment you will have trouble with repetitions, in the description to this video I left a link to the written pattern by vcrochetpatterns.com. See you at the end of the round. All repetitions are done, and a slip stitch in a standing cluster of 4 double crochets. Round 4 is ready, and on the wrong side we can see all skipped double crochets and chain 3 spaces. They are freely hanging. We will fix it in the next round. Round 4, color C. We join new yarn with a standing front post single crochet around any of the cluster of 4 double crochets. I will select this one. Front post single crochet around the cluster. Done. 2 single crochets in chain 4. Ready. Front post double crochet around double crochet of round 2. 2 single crochets in the same chain 4. And front post single crochet around the cluster. Let's repeat once again. 2 single crochets in chain 4, front post double crochet around double crochet of round 2, 2 single crochets in the same chain 4 of round 3 and front post single crochet around the cluster. Here we are. Please keep repeating. See you at the end of the round. All repetitions are done. Slip stitch into standing front post single crochet. Do not fasten off, because round 5 we will be making with the same color. Round 5, same color, color C, chain 1, it doesn't count as a stitch, single crochet in the same stitch. We skip next 2 stitches, and in the next one, which is front post double crochet, we make 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Our nice shell is done. We skip next 2 stitches, 2 single crochets made in chain 4, and in the next stitch, which is front post single crochet around the cluster, we make a single crochet. Our first repetition is done. Let's do one more. We skip 2 single crochets of the previous round made in chain 4, and in the front post double crochet we make 9 double crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We skip next 2 single crochets made in chain 4 and single crochet in a front post single crochet around the cluster. Keep repeating these nice shells to the end of the round. If in some moment you'll have a trouble with repetitions, please use the link in the description to this video to the written pattern. We finish round 5 with a slip stitch into first single crochet of the round. And finally, we have our first 5 rounds ready. Let's see the wrong side. It also looks pretty nice. We'll continue making new rounds in the next video. Easy stitches to everyone. Have fun!